If you live in Nigeria and you go to your Binance account right now and you want to actually log into your Binance account right now, you're going to be getting this same error that I see on my phone right now. Now, this started yesterday because the Nigerian government, in a bid to actually save the Naira, which is Nigerian money, decided to ban the Binance, right? Like basically chasing shadows. Because there's only one way to actually help the Naira, which is actually encourage production for exports and of course reduce the dependency on imports. Because everything in Nigeria right now is actually imported, but somehow they're chasing shadows and they think that Binance is the problem. Remember when they thought that Aboki FX was the problem? But dollar was at 404 Naira.
Wait for it.
But right now it's actually close to 2,000 Naira. And guess what, guys? It will definitely get to 2,000 Naira because they're not doing anything to actually fix the issue. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to show you how to actually get back into your Binance account instantly. So if you're having these issues and you have money in Binance, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get back into your Binance account with your phone, right, or your laptop or whatever, right? So it's important for you guys to stay with me from beginning to the end of this video as I'm going to be leaving those things on some. Now, for you guys who see me for the first time, my name is Gerald and I make videos that are making money online. So if you go through my channel right now, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of videos aimed at helping you make money on the internet. Just go around my channel, watch the videos that actually piques your interest, of course. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I will not hesitate to actually answer your questions. And finally, it's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing video just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that's it, guys. How do you actually get back into your Binance account? So a lot of persons have actually tried using the normal VPN to actually access Binance. Now, what happens is that in most cases, Binance is going to ban your account for using a free VPN. So you need to use something a lot better, and I'm going to be introducing you to that right now. So here's what you need to do. Click on the first link in this video description. Once you click on it, it is going to bring you to the interface on my phone screen right now. Now, once you come here, you're going to be seeing the fact that it says, this is a special deal because you are using the link in my video description. You're going to be getting 67% off plus 3 months free for a friend, right? So this is what you're going to do right now. We are going to be paying $3.39 every month as opposed to paying 8.29 every single month, right? So here's what I'm going to do. You're going to click on where it says get the deal, right? So once you click on this place, it is going to bring you to this interface right now. So you can get the basic 2-year plan, or you can get the 1-year plan, or you can even try this for just 1 month and I see exactly how it works. But of course, if you're doing 1 month, it's going to be more expensive for you. So you need to use this 1 year or this 2-year plan. Now, 2-year plan is actually a lot better because you pay for this for 2 years. I can use this beyond Binance right now. You can use it for all the other platforms because it actually does work. You're going to click on Get Basic, right? Get Basic. I'm going to be paying just $81.60. So put your email address right here and complete the order. Of course, use your card to actually pay for this. If you don't have a card that can actually pay, you can use your dollar card or go to grade.co. This video showing up right here will show you how to do that. Go to grade.co, create a virtual dollar card. You can fund it with Naira and actually use that card to pay for this. It is that simple, right? Now, I already have an account right here. So I'm going to log into my own account right now, set it up, and I'll actually show you guys exactly how this works. So once you're done setting this up, what you need to do is to come back to Google Play Store and search for Nord, N-O-R-D, NordVPN, right? And once you click on this opens up right now. So this is where it says NordVPN, private and secure VPN. This is what you're looking for. So click on install and this gets installed into your phone. Whether you're on iOS or Android, it works exactly the same way, right? So this is setting up right now. So it says installing. So we're going to be waiting for this installation process to complete. Now, if you're getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you again, if you've not done that, to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification. And if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section, or just go ahead and say thank you, Gerald, right? Or if this doesn't work for you, also let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be communicating with you, of course, telling you exactly how to fix that and all of that. So this is done installing right now. So it says installed. So we're going to open this right now. So this is opening right now. So right here, you have the option of sign up and log in. Because you already signed up with the link that I showed you guys, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to click login right at the bottom of the screen right here instead of sign up. So click on login and you'll be brought to this interface right now. So what you need to do is the username and password that you selected when you actually got your package. That's what you're going to be putting right here. Put in your username or email address right here. Click on continue and put in your password and you get logged in. Now, here's the catch. A lot of persons make the mistake of selecting countries like US. If you select a country like US, because Binance is banned in the US, you most likely get your Binance account flagged and banned, and you lose your money in that instance. So please do not do that, right? Select countries in Europe, especially Eastern Europe, like Lithuania, Ukraine, Germany, countries like that. Select one of those countries, right? And with them, you can actually log into your Binance account easily. Let's practicalize that right now. So I just tried logging into Binance, right here. It tells me this site cannot be reached, right? So it is still banned. So let me log into my NordVPN right now and try accessing Binance again on this same phone, and let's see what happens. So I had just finished setting up my NordVPN, and you can see right now that Binance has opened up on my phone instantly, right? So this is actually very, very easy and very, very simple. And with this, I can actually log into my Binance account. As a matter of fact, let us go to my Binance app on this iPhone. What I'm going to do is to come to Binance right here on this iPhone, right? And I'm going to hit refresh right now, refresh the app, right? And you see that Binance has opened up on my phone right now. It is actually this simple, right? And this happened because of NordVPN. And with NordVPN, you will not get banned. So what you need to do right now is to click on that first link in the video description. Get NordVPN. You can actually pay for like 1 month and try it out, right? But it will be expensive for you in the long run, which is why I actually prefer paying for like 2 years or 1 year. I have softwares on my phone that I've paid for the next 5 years, right? For the next 5 years, I'm not worried about having to renew or looking for money to pay for it again or subscribe for it and all of those things. And of course, when you pay for a longer period of time, you get a commission instantly, right? Do not attempt to enter Binance with a free or unconfirmed VPN, right? Which Binance might flag you and you lose all the monies that you have inside your Binance account. So NordVPN is actually confirmed. Like you can see right now, it's actually working, right? It's working. I've logged into Binance on both iOS and Android, and it is that simple, right? So go ahead, click on that link and actually get this and log in. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section, as I'm not going to be hesitating to actually answer all of your questions, right? And for those of you who will be asking, does P2P still work? Yeah, P2P still does work. Let me show you. If I come here right now, come here and go to P2P. Where is P2P? P2P. Right, you can still sell and buy, selling 1742. If you are buying 1742, you are selling 1766, right? 1766. So you can actually sell with P2B and it still works with Binance. So here's something else you need to do. I will encourage you to diversify your investment. If you have monies on Binance, right, set up a Bybit account, set up a BitGet account, set up a KuCoin account, and diversify your investment in all of these platforms, right? I actually have videos on how to set up a Bybit account, how to set up and actually use BitGet, and of course I also have Binance. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video for you guys on how to actually create and verify a KuCoin account. Let me know in the comment section, and I will not hesitate to actually make that video for you guys. So I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for watching the video from beginning to the very end. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.